that golden rooster. As we've done that flowing river, we've done that breathe in, breathe out. We've come to that last, as that left hand is coming forward. As that left hand's coming forward, start shifting that weight. Start shifting that weight toward that left foot. Because as that left hand comes forward, we're preparing ourselves for that golden rooster stands on one leg. Remember, balance is an issue. You're just going to lift that heel up. Okay, now bring that toe off the ground, that right foot. So as that left hand comes forward, start shifting that weight to that left foot. As that right foot, right hand, it's going to come up. Golden rooster stands on one leg. You're going to push that right hand down, heel strike, roll. Left foot, left hand come up. Golden rooster stands on one leg. Now as that left comes down, bring that toe down beside that heel. So that way whenever we get ready to go into brush knee push hands, we're just going to swing those hands back, okay? Makes it a lot easier for a transition. So we get ready, we're going to push the left hand forward, shifting that weight to the left, right hand, right foot, find your balance. Golden rooster. Push left hand, right hand down, right foot, heel strike. Golden rooster. Toe down by the heel. So we can shift. Right hand up, left palm down. You're ready to look left. We're going to step left in the next posture. And left hand is coming forward. And that final bit of the flowing river. The left weight shift. Right foot, right hand. Golden rooster. Heel strike. Pushing that right hand down. Golden rooster. Toe back around the heel. Hands are just going to sway back. Right hand up. Left palm down. Looking over that left shoulder. Now so put those together. As I come up into that commencing form, so breathe in, breathe out. And I'm doing a few of them put together. Big breath in and out. I'm going to catch that ball. I'm going to breathe in and out. Swing those hands in, turn those palms up. Watch as that right hand goes back. Flowing river. Exhale as it comes forward. Left. Breathe in. And out. Left hand comes forward. Weight shifted to that left foot. Right foot, right hand. Golden rooster. Heel strike, pushing that left hand down. Golden rooster. Toe back to the heel. Swing those back. Looking over that left shoulder.